In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a DocuSign Envelope ID. Whether you're an experienced user or just getting started with DocuSign, ensuring the authenticity of your Envelope ID is a crucial part of securely managing your digital documents. So let's dive right in and walk through each step to make sure you can confidently verify your Envelope ID. First, open your web browser and navigate to the DocuSign homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. This step is essential because you must access your account to see any documents or envelopes you've worked on or received. Take a moment to make sure your login details are ready to go before we proceed. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the menu options. You'll want to click on Agreements. This action will take you to a page where you can access a list of all your active and past agreements. It's a central hub within DocuSign for managing your documents. Take a minute to familiarize yourself with this area if this is your first time. Now, you'll need to identify the specific envelope you want to verify. Click on the envelope you are interested in. Doing so will provide more detailed information about this particular envelope, including its status, signers, and more. With the envelope opened up, locate the section where the envelope ID is displayed. You'll see an envelope ID heading in the Documents Details section. Click on the envelope ID. This will highlight it, making it easy to copy. The envelope ID is a unique identifier associated with your document, which helps in tracking and verification, ensuring that all actions associated with the envelope are correctly recorded. Once you've clicked on the envelope ID, a convenient option will appear to allow you to copy it. Click Copy. This action places the envelope ID onto your clipboard, ready for you to paste wherever you need. After copying the envelope ID, there's one more crucial step left. You can now contact DocuSign customer support and send them the copied ID for verification. Providing the support team with this ID enables them to assist you by confirming the details and authenticity of the document you are working with. Utilizing their expertise, you ensure that everything is in order. And there you have it. We've just walked through how to verify a DocuSign Envelope ID, providing you not only with the steps involved, but also discussing why each step is important. If you have any further questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to DocuSign's support team for assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy verifying.